if you're hungry enough for it, you will take the temporary pain of walking out of a good job to set up on your own. Is it right for you right now? Knowing your personal circumstances, no, I would wait until you've maybe moved houses, or you could sell one of the multitude of houses that you have, and Stephen Black could probably buy it off you at a really good price, and you could use that money as a buffer for a couple of months till you got Amazon to the level you needed it.
Or to cut across here, you could basically do what no one seems to talk about, but I did, and it might be,
Borrow
I
your
don't know what your
wages.
thought. Like it's 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Just go part time. You know,
I
you're
did
you're
that. Well,
legally. You know, I went part time for a year before I went on Amazon completely on my own. Yeah, I did Monday to Thursday in my 9 to 5, and then had Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I had 4 days 9 to 5, 3 days on Amazon. So you could kind of test to see what a full day working in your own business would be like, because yeah, there's no one to tell you what time to get up. There's no one to tell you what needs to be done first. There's no one to tell you do your important tasks first. Don't worry about emails and things until later on. You can try it that way.